Hello friends, welcome to a video on how to create a radar chart in Excel. This is our radar chart. Let us see how to create it. Here we are having a table of marks obtained out of 10 from these students for these subjects. Okay, so what you have to do is first select this table, go for insert, click recommended charts. They will give a recommended chart like this. You go for all charts, select radar chart. In this you can select this or this. Select anyone here. Your chart will appear like this. Now you have to do some fine tuning. Radar chart for comparison of marks. Okay, now you can select some any color or any design like this. Thank you.